Well, today is not the nice weather day yet. Maybe tomorrow. You know, I was kind of bummed yesterday because that Chestnut Knob shelter, that area is supposed to be known as God's thumbprint. And it's supposed to have a glorious views with a beautiful ridge walk up to it. And we didn't get to see any of it. Had too many days like that where we're missing the good stuff. Come on, good weather, come on back. Today is really, dare I say, boring. But at least it's not freezing cold or extremely windy or raining. There is that. And the terrain is actually very flat, surprisingly, today for a lot of it. We're doing 24-mile day to Helveys Mill shelter. We've got about 10 miles left, just trucking along. Caramel M&Ms will make this afternoon more exciting. I always think it's funny when they put share size on it. Like, who really shares something this size? I spy an ice chest. Fingers crossed. Enjoy a drink, it says. All right, looks like we got some Cokes, some Gatorades, some water. Ooh, some of those packet things. They're Radford University professors conducting research on long-distance hikers, and they're asking us to complete a survey, but look, they bribed us too. Isn't that nice? I do like that. That was refreshing. Oops, sorry. And I met Poppy. He's a through hiker too. There's a hiker named Steady who just passed me. And he was wearing shorts, and I noticed that he had calves like Sam Hewen. I'm sure there's some of you out there that also know Sam Hewen. I'm sure there's some Hewen hooligans out there. That got me to thinking, that might help me go faster if I had Sam Hewen hiking in front of me, preferably in a kilt. Yeah, that might do it. That might make me hike faster. Someone recently commented asking if I'm hiking with someone else because I keep using we. Well, no, I am a solo hiker. The we is you and me. You guys are hiking with me. I like to think of y'all as my imaginary friends on the trail. You're out here on the hike with me, right? It's just like the never-ending, I was gonna say, it's just like the never-ending story. So you guys are my we. Thanks for joining along. What is with people and setting up fairy villages? We've seen a lot of these. People seem to like them. I don't think they're leave no trace, but I will not knock down the fairy village. This campsite has a nice view. Look at that. Pretty, huh? We are above all kinds of cute little farms and farm buildings. Sure is. It needs to come out and stay out. I think it's waiting for tomorrow, though.
You know, you don't see this every day.
What's that? This view?
Mm-hmm. The sky.
It's pretty.
Right.
Yep. Toot toot! Come on, truckers! Ah! We got one! Toot toot! Yay! The good news is, finally made it to the shelter. The bad news is, this one is 0.3 off trail. Why? Why do they do that to us? Here's my tent spot for the night. We're at Helveys Mill shelter, along with Poppy, who's hammocking, and Prophet. We'll see who else shows up. There is my bear hang for the evening. And I'm about, that still cracks me up. Hey, bear. And I'm about to go crawl into my bag because it's getting a little chilly for me.